Hi guys, today we are going to decorate my bedroom. I originally planned to do like a full house decorate with me, and then I decided, well, I just want to do my bedroom and my living room in one video, but now I've also changed my mind. So we're just gonna basically do one room at a time for this decorate with me, just because I'm having to take it one room at a time. So for today's video, I'm so excited to share how my fall bedroom turned out. It's very different from my 2018 version. So I will link that, sorry that the camera's a little shaky. I will link my fall bedroom down below for 2018, and that way you guys can kind of just see the difference between last year and this year. So there's a little peek. I'm very excited. And you guys know that I'm gonna use so many Dollar Tree elements in here. So I can't wait for you guys to see how I used some really awesome fall decor from our beloved Dollar Tree. So there's a little sneak peek behind me, but let's go ahead and get to decorating. right, so I've done as much as I could for now, but there may be some more minor updates later in the future, but I am just loving how this turned out. I actually need to go back on my video for 2018 and see what my bed looked like, because I don't know that I did the thankful pillow there or not. Maybe I did. But as you can see, I did switch out the white for my older bedding, for the older white one, which I also got on Amazon. It was really, really cheap. It was like $30. So, and it's actually very nice. I don't know, I think it's a really nice quality. It's not that fluffy, but as many layers as I have going on, it's just perfect for me. So, and the sheet set is from Lakeside Collection. I did a haul video. I'll link that down below for you guys. And then you can see I used, this is one of my older quilts that I actually used as like my everyday decor. And then when I switched out to the shabby chic, I realized I'll just hold this for fall. It's just perfect. I love when things like that happen and you can still repurpose. I think I did this the same exact way. Got this gorgeous pumpkin, which I believe this whole combination came from Hobby Lobby, even the willow wreath. I know it's kind of hard to see with the lighting. There we go. I think last year I did the galvanized like tea light candle holders, but I decided not to bring in galvanized in here. I kept the one picture of my daughter for fall because it's got the cream. The other one is a pink frame, so I went ahead and put that up. And I just kept it pretty simple over here, so I love the way it looks. You're probably wondering about this quilt. I believe I got this quilt off of eBay, if my memory serves me correct. I love this little section. I've mentioned it before, but I like my books out. I like it just kind of not perfect. Just gives it a more lived-in experience, and I grab for my books all the time from there. And I went ahead and kept this white pillow just to pull out the stark white of that bedding because everything else has the cream. And, you know, I'm still trying to pull white as basically the main color so that when I have a lot of colors going on, it just gives it a really nice balance. So I went ahead and kept this pillow here, but I threw this little, looks like a sweater kind of pillow. I've had that pillow for a very, very long time. I couldn't even tell you where I got it from. But like I always say, I'm sure it's in a video somewhere. Over on that nightstand, it's the same as that, with the exception that there's no picture over there. And yes, I know that my nightstands look like a smiley face. Over here, I actually really love the way that this turned out. This is completely different from last year. So go look at last year's and then comment and let me know which one you like better. But this sign is new, this pumpkin patch sign. I don't know if I got this at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or Joann's, but it's one of the two. And because I have like a pumpkin patch theme throughout the house, I wanted to make sure that I have pumpkins as if you're really going to a pumpkin patch that you could, you know, purchase. So these pumpkins are from Dollar Tree. Are they not gorgeous? I have not seen them restock with them. I also have an emerald green one. I think I might bring that one in here too to kind of tie in this green right here. This lamp, oh, comment down below if you remember where this lamp used to be in my old house. I went upstairs, grabbed it out of my holiday closet, and I was like, it's gonna be perfect in here just to kind of bring in more warm tones because my furniture is all white and, you know, the lamps are white. So I wanted to make sure that, I don't know that you can kind of see it all together like this, but I just knew I desperately needed to bring in some warm tones, and I've been obsessed with lamps lately and just kind of creating that really soft, beautiful glow. It just creates such a cozy environment, and cozy and fall, those two words 100,000% go together for me. So a lamp just really elevates things in my opinion. And then when we look over here, I actually love how this turned out. You guys saw that I can tend to want to balance things out, one thing here and one thing there, but I realized really quickly that I can't always do that. So I love that there's really nothing going on over in that corner, And then over here, this is completely new. I just kind of pulled all this stuff together and never assembled it like this before. So I really adore how this turned out. This is Dollar Tree. This is a Dollar Tree DIY that I made last year. If you watched my fall guest bathroom makeover, you'll see the orange pumpkin version of this. It looks a little orange here, but it's yellow. And so I'll link the original DIY and then the fall bathroom makeover for this year. I went and picked out this galvanized piece. I guess I did throw in a galvanized piece. It was the only vase that I had on hand that could hold the length of these floral stems, which are also from Dollar Tree, except this one. This one I believe is from Hobby Lobby. But I had it on hand because I think I used a couple of stems for DIY, but I had this little bunch left over, so I stuck it in here just to make it more full. And I love it. Oh, I can't believe how much I love just the simplest little things. So yeah, I adore how it turned out. And then you can just kind of see from the reflection in the TV. I don't know, it's just very, very cozy, and I hope that you guys feel inspired.